Ever wondered how money travels across the globe in seconds? The answer lies in a powerful network called SWIFT, Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. SWIFT is not a bank, but a secure messaging system used by over 11,000 financial institutions across more than 200 countries. When you initiate an international transfer, SWIFT transmits instructions between banks through MT messages, especially MT103 for customer transfers. Imagine sending money from your bank in India to someone in Germany. Your bank doesn't directly hold an account with the recipient bank. That's where correspondent banks step in, acting as intermediaries to complete the transaction. Now here's something deeper. Each SWIFT transaction carries a unique end-to-end transaction reference, or UETR. This ID lets both sender and receiver track the transfer status live, even if it hops through multiple banks. One key element of SWIFT is the SWIFT code, or BEC, a unique 8 or 11 character code identifying the bank. For example, SBI's SWIFT code is SBNBXX. But here are some lesser-known truths. MT199 messages can modify or recall funds mid-transit if there's an error, an internal trick used silently between banks. SWIFT GPI, Global Payment Innovation, is redefining real-time tracking. Over 50% of transfers via GPI are credited within 30 minutes. Nostro and Vostro accounts, which fuel cross-border transfers, often operate in overnight liquidity cycles, reducing exposure risks. Some SWIFT transfers settle using netting, where banks agree to clear balances against each other rather than settling full amounts. SWIFT integrates with ISO 20022 standards, meaning your fund transfer messages are now read by AI-based fraud detection in major banks. Regulatory flags are embedded in MT messages silently. For example, an OFAC filter might block a transfer without informing the user directly. Popular sites for checking SWIFT code: www.theswiftcodes.com, www.ibankcode.com, w.swift.com. In essence, SWIFT makes money move globally, securely and precisely.